Hello, my name is Tamara and I'm with Allsup. Unfortunately, your claim for disability benefits has recently been denied by Social Security. This is very common, but the next step is to file an appeal, and Allsup is here to help. The most important thing you need to know right now is that Allsup cares about you and your dilemma. We understand the worry and challenges that your disability brings and that this condition impacts your ability to work and earn an income. You are why Allsup exists and why we are here to help you get the benefits you deserve. As you probably know, the complexities of the Social Security disability appeals process make it nearly impossible for the average person to navigate alone. It is precisely for this reason that we have designed a user-friendly and educational series of easy-to-follow sections with questions that we guide you through. Each section will be presented to you in a particular order, one at a time. As you can imagine, the number of sections you ultimately complete will be directly related to how long it takes to obtain your disability benefits. Several Allsup team members are going to help you through this process by walking you through the questions as we go. We know you may not be able to complete the sections all at once, but don't worry. We've made it easy for you to save your answers and log out, then log back in, allowing you to resume whenever you want. This will allow you to complete the appeal questions at your own pace and at a time that's convenient for you. However, we want to file your appeal quickly, so it will be important for you to complete your online questions as soon as possible. If you have questions, please click the Help and Hints button at the top of your screen for assistance and options to contact us. Your Allsup team member will then review and refine your answers and file the necessary appeal paperwork. This next step, called the hearing level, is a very different process than the initial levels you've already been through. At the hearing level, your case will be handled by a senior claims representative at Allsup who specializes in representing claims at the third level of the process. The senior claims representative requests medical records as necessary, pulls together all the relevant details and medical evidence, and develops a strategy to get the case awarded. Medical support from your treating sources is very important for your case. It's helpful to notify your treating sources that you are filing for Social Security disability benefits. Make sure to discuss your symptoms and limitations with your medical sources so they can better document how your condition prevents you from doing any type of work. Typically, a hearing will be held where a Social Security administrative law judge makes the decision versus a disability examiner who evaluated the case initially. When the case arrives at the hearing office, the file sits in line waiting to be processed for a judge to review and decide if a hearing will be needed. Allsup has regular contact with the hearing office to check on the status of your case. Allsup has in-person senior claims representatives strategically placed around the country that travel to hearings and represent our claimants in person. Normally, there is a judge, an Allsup representative, and sometimes a medical or vocational expert in attendance at the hearing with you. At times, depending on the medical support, the administrative law judge may award a case on the record without holding an in-person hearing. Some judges prefer to hold an in-person hearing. A variety of circumstances, including an unexpectedly high number of claims, applications, and appeals, along with a dwindling Social Security workforce, has created the perfect storm, resulting in record-setting backlogs of claims. At this level in the process, it usually takes about 6 to 18 months for a hearing to be held. In the meantime, if you get anything in the mail over the coming months from Social Security, especially a notice stating you have to attend a hearing, please call Allsup and let us know. We have specialists trained to address your issues and they have full access to our system. If you have any questions regarding your disability claim, medical updates, changes of address or job status, Allsup can assist you with those. You can also submit updates through your Allsup Place account via My Claim. Now that you have a general idea as to how we're going to proceed, let's get started.